Para sa GMA Integrated News, Rafi Tima nakatutok, 24 oras.
Happy new school year to the engineering and technology freshmen of Tarlac State University. What an important year this is for you. Simula ito ng mas malalim na pagkikilala ninyo sa inyong sarili. It is where I discovered my potential and gained valuable experiences as a youth leader. Perhaps, in your own ways, you will discover you have the same potential as well. No matter who you discover yourselves to be, I hope you carry the Philippines in your heart. Kailangan kayo ni Inang Bayan. We must bring our unique and excellent selves into collaboration with one another to find solutions to the massive problems we face as a nation. We need your participation, your ideas, and your eagerness to keep on walking the difficult but real and possible path towards a better Philippines. I agree that as we dream these dreams, we must orient them to a passion for country that is guided by the truth, seeks the truth, honors it, and shares it with all. And more than out of a sense of duty, I hope you navigate these years with a sense of love. As an Atenista, let me share some Jesuit wisdom with you. Sabi ni Father Pedro Arupe, SJ, fall in love, stay in love, and it will decide everything. Yung pagpipili, kahit masakit, kahit mahirap, basta tama, basta mapagmahal. Ang pagpipili nito ang magdidikta kung sino kayo magiging bilang leader. I am so excited for all of you, and I wish you a fruitful academic year. Mabuhay ang mga future movers and shakers ng Tarlac State University.
Mga kababayan, ang 4-piece party list. Kung nais mong mas umunlad pa ang iyong buhay, humanap ka ng sa iyo ay aagapay. Maglilingkod sa atin ng tapat at tunay, sa bawat isa ay aalalay. Sa tulad kong mahirap sila ang boses ko, ang magbibigay ng tinig sa atin sa Kongreso. Ano man ang estado, ano man ang iyong trabaho, sama-samang babangon yan ang ating gusto. 4-piece party list, dito ay may pag-asenso. 4-piece party list, ang serbisyo'y totoo. Sama-sama tulong-tulong, pagbangon ay sigurado. 4-piece party list na tayo. Okay, ganda ng buhay kung lahat may trabaho, kung may tamang sweldo at mayroong benepisyo. Sa hirap ng buhay nais ring umasenso, ang 4-piece party list ang tutulong sa'yo. Pagtibayin, palaguin ang pangkabuhayang Pilipino. 4-piece party list ang kaagapay mo, sandigan ng pamilyang Pilipino. 4-piece party list, dito ay may pag-asenso. 4-piece party list, ang serbisyo'y totoo. Sama-sama tulong-tulong, pagbangon ay sigurado. 4-piece party list na tayo. 4-piece party list na tayo. 4-piece party list na tayo. 4-piece party list, ang sandigan ng pamilyang Pilipino.